5:45 in the wilderness, Magadi. You can see some flamingos there. Kibo. This what a view! Look at that photo. The reflection of the sun. By then nimeshindwa kuvuka hii mto. Si ati kwa sababu bike haiwezi. Hii ride ni noma. But ni sababu ya sasa kuguza maji leo. Go down there. That sun was hot during the day. Saizi imepoa. Then you come, that hill is called Bird Rock. So if you drive up there, the kind of view that you see of the lake as well as the birds, it's out of this world. Upper is plain. Sometimes when it has rained, this place is always having water. If you cross going that side, that direction, like a hot springs. Very nice. So leo mimi nageukia hapa juu sitakanyaga maji. Jana gari ndio nimeenda kwa. All swarm of flamingos down